Welcome to the Alcedo Anatomical IV and Phlebotomy Simulation Arm Practice video. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate 3 essential clinical scenarios that can be practiced using the arm. 1. IV insertion. 2. Phlebotomy, with 3 vein positions. 3. Medication administration. Before we begin, ensure that the simulation arm has been properly set up following the previous tutorial. With everything ready, let's dive into each scenario. Let's begin with IV insertion. Here are the tools you will need: IV medication administration bag, gloves, tourniquets, alcohol pads. Now, adjust the arm by loosening the clamp on the vein area to allow for better positioning. Once set, make sure to open the IV line clamp on the arm and proceed with inserting the IV catheter as you would in a real-life scenario. Practice your insertion technique following proper procedure of IV insertion. Next, we'll practice phlebotomy, focusing on 3 vein positions: cephalic vein, median cubital vein, metacarpal vein. On the table, you can see the tools for this scenario: phlebotomy bags, gloves, tourniquets, alcohol pads. Adjust the arm by positioning it flat on the work surface for easier access to the veins. You may need to adjust the clamping settings on the arm to make each vein more prominent. Once the arm is adjusted, cleaning the site with an alcohol pad and drawing blood using the phlebotomy needle. Repeat the practice with all 3 vein positions, focusing on accuracy and technique. For our 3rd scenario, we will practice Medicat ion administration through the 4th. Here's what you'll need: IV medication administration bag, gloves, tourniquets, alcohol pads. Ensure the IV line is open and adjust the arm's position if necessary for easier access to the IV site. Clean the medication vial and prepare the syringe. Administer the Medicat ion slowly into the IV line, mimicking the technique used in real clinical situations. At the end of the training practice session, close the roller clamp and move to a basin. Open all clamps and allow the fluid to drain into the basin. Flush the container and tubes with water and allow to drain and dry. Put the arm back in the provided plastic bag and replace the arm and all items into the blue bag.